How to identify signs of a dog with a broken tail at the middle or middle tip. Dogs are known for their wagging tails, which express joy and excitement. However, what if your precious pup injures its tail? Dogs can indeed have broken tails, and it's essential to recognize the signs of such an injury for early intervention and proper treatment. In this video, we will delve into the topic of how to identify signs of a dog with a broken tail at the middle or middle tip, enabling you to provide the necessary care for your furry friend. 1. Understanding dog tail anatomy. Before diving into the signs of a broken tail, it's crucial to understand dog tail anatomy. Dogs' tails are an extension of their spine, composed of multiple small vertebrae called coccygeal vertebrae. The tail contains various muscles, tendons, and nerves, making it susceptible to injuries. 2. Causes of a broken tail. A dog's tail can break due to various reasons, including trauma, accidents, physical abuse, or getting caught in a door. Certain dog breeds with short and curly tails, such as pugs and bulldogs, are more prone to tail injuries. Vigorous wagging, especially when against a hard surface, can also result in a broken tail. 3. Recognizing the signs of a broken tail. When a dog suffers from a broken tail, several noticeable signs can help you identify the injury. These signs may include: A. Limp tail. One of the most apparent signs of a broken tail is a limp or drooping tail. If your dog's tail suddenly hangs down or is held differently from its usual position, it may indicate a fracture. B. Pain or sensitivity. A dog with a broken tail may display signs of pain or sensitivity around the tail area. Be watchful for any signs of discomfort when you touch or examine your dog's tail. Dogs with tail injuries may not want their tail to be touched or will react negatively if you do so. C. Swelling and bruising. A broken tail can result in swelling and bruising, leading to a change in color around the tail. If you notice any abnormal swelling, redness, or discolored bruising on your dog's tail, it's a clear indication that there might be an underlying issue. D. Inability to wag the tail. Another sign to look out for is the inability to wag the tail. A dog with a broken tail may struggle or be unable to move its tail normally. A lack of wagging or restricted movement indicates possible tail trauma. E. Unusual bowing or kinking. A dog's tail with a fracture may exhibit unusual bending, bowing, or kinking. If you notice any changes in the natural alignment or shape of your dog's tail, it could be a sign of a break. For what to do if you suspect a broken tail. If you observe any of the above signs and suspect that your dog has a broken tail, it's essential to seek veterinary attention immediately. A professional veterinarian will conduct a thorough examination, possibly including X-rays, to determine the extent of the injury. They may also provide pain relief medications, recommend rest, and if necessary, suggest tail splinting or bandaging. 5. Preventing tail injuries. Prevention is always better than cure. To reduce the risk of tail injuries. A. Supervise playtime. Supervise your dog during playtime, especially if they tend to wag their tails vigorously against hard surfaces or objects. B. Create a safe environment. Ensure that your home or backyard is free from any potential hazards that could harm your dog's tail, such as closing doors, sharp corners, or low-hanging objects. C. Handle with care. When handling your dog, always be gentle and considerate of their tail. Avoid pulling or tugging on their tail, as it can lead to injury. D. Consider tail protective gear. If you have a dog breed prone to tail injuries, such as bulldogs or pugs, you might consider protective gear, such as tail splints or guards, to minimize the risk of injury. In conclusion, recognizing the signs of a dog with a broken tail at the middle or middle tip is crucial for prompt intervention and proper care. By understanding the signs and taking preventive measures, you can help protect your furry friend from tail injuries. Remember, if you suspect a broken tail, consult with a veterinarian for accurate diagnosis and guidance on the best course of action.